Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will show you how to make a decorative pot of flowers from a damaged air filling pump. So for that all you need one artificial plant that we have purchased from Dollarama. I will tell you the price of each and every item. So this is the damaged pump which I have purchased from my bike. It's of no use now. This is a strip which we will wrap around this pump body and few cable ties which will bound this strip. So let's begin with the work. So first of all friends, we will remove this assembly. This is of no use, we will keep it on side, and this pipe also we will remove it. So we have left with this pipe and this stand which will support the pot to remain straight. Starting with the flower, we have purchased it for $2.50 from Dollarama, and this decorative strip we have purchased. This is actually we have purchased this one because this is of green color which resembles with the color of nature and have some artificial stems and leaves on that, and this we have purchased for $1.50. Its length is 6 foot 6 inch, means 6.5 foot. So this pump was for $4 only. So after damage also it will serve the purpose. So first of all we will start with the wrapping works. In this case we have to join two cable ties because one cable tie is not possible with one cable tie, as the diameter is more. We will increase the length by joining the two cable ties. We will cut the excess part. Just put one side of this decorative piece here and tighten the cable tie so that it cannot move. Then cut out the excess part and start wrapping. It all depends upon your choice that how much solenoidal this design you have to put. You can maintain the gap as you like we can put the smaller one so it will look nice. I think this much is good. So the wrapping is finished. We will terminate the other end by putting the cable tie. Similarly join the two cable ties. As pipe color of this pump is black, so we are using black cable ties. It will not be visible on the color. You have to use this black ties only. So now we will cut the excess part like this. So hardly we have used 2 to 3 feet of the decorative strip. You can tighten the design. As you can see it's loose, so you can just make it tight by rotating from the extreme end. So it's all done with this pipe decoration. Now it's the time to fix this plant in this pipe. So as you can see friends, the stem is bending towards one side, so we have to fix it somewhere in the center, so that it should be on the straight. It should not bend to the one side, it may fall this full pot. So for that we have to cut a round piece of this one from this one, and we will insert it here, so that our stem can be on the center of this pot. So let's begin with the cutting of this sheet. So now stem is ready. We will insert the stem into the pipe. This bend I have made because the length of this stem was small. It's perfect now. As you can see, the stem is on its focus on this one. It's on the center.